Hey guys, what's up? How are you? I hope that you guys are having an amazing day today. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, hi, my name is Jarell, and in today's video we're going to be doing 3 looks using the Mothership 2 palette. This is from Pat McGrath. I absolutely love this palette already just because of this green. It is everything to me, but I did create something that is super simple in a different video. Just in case you missed a video, I will link it somewhere down below or somewhere up here. But in this video today we are going to be using the green in 3 different looks, and this is just to give you guys inspiration. Of course, you can go ahead and make your own little tweaks on these looks and just make it work for yourself. So if you are interested in seeing the first 2 looks and how I created this one, which is going to be the 3rd look, then please go ahead and keep on watching. So I went ahead and primed my eyes using my P. Louise base, and I'm going to take this shade now in a fluffy brush, and this is just to create the shape that we are wanting to go for. I'm just going to tap the eyeshadow first just because the primer hasn't been set, so let me just tap it first and then start blending the eyeshadow. Just adding this shade on the outer corner as well as on the crease, and with whatever is on the brush without dipping back in, I'm just going to blend the edges and just smoke it all out. And as you can see, I'm concentrating the shade a little bit more on this area right here in the outer corner than in the inner corner. And I'm going to run it on the lower lashes in the outer part of my lower lashes. I'm going to take this bronzy shade right here. I'm going to add that all over the middle of the lid and meeting with a dark. And this is like a satin shade. There's not a lot of like sparkle to it. Super pretty. Just going back with a dark in the first brush and just blending the edges to make sure that everything is nice and blended. I'm going to take bronze 005 on a brush, and I am going to add that to the inner corner and sweep it inside. All right, and for a pop of green, we're going to add this one in the lower lashes. So I just adding it from the outer corner of the lower lash right on top of the dark shade that we added, and just bringing it around all the way to the inner corner. All right, with the pencil brush that we just added the green, I'm just going to add it a little bit on this area right here, just on top of the darker shade, just so it can be like a little bit of a green tint of it, but nothing too much. And this is just really for fun, and we can see a little bit more of the green right on top of the dark base, the brown. Of course, you don't have to do that. This is just for fun. I'm just going to go back with Iconic, which is the satin shade right in the middle, and I'm going to make sure that we didn't lose any of that. And that is the first look. So here we have a look number 1. All right, let's go ahead and move on now to the second look. All right, so I am going to take the dark shade again, and I'm going to use an angled brush, and I'm going to start lining out the shape that I want. I'm going to add it on the lower lashes as well, using the Sigma E30 brush just to blend it out. I just want to soften up the edges just a little bit, not too much. And now taking the Astral Ghost Orchid and just adding that on top. So now adding the VR Nectar to it, and I'm just going to add it to the very inner corner of it first, and the outer corner of it. Going back with the angled brush one more time, just make sure that we didn't lose any of the intensity on the dark shade. So using Rose Dusk right here on the same pencil brush, and just going to add it to this little corner right here. Yeah, so much better. Okay, yeah. So just adding VR Nectar one more time on this outer corner. Going with my finger and using the Astral Ghost Orchid shade. And I'm going to add it right in the center. So you can definitely leave it like this and just add a little bit of mascara and lashes, but I am going to just have a little bit more fun with this look right here, and I'm going to add a little bit of the green using my angle brush. I'm just going to add it right on top of it. I don't want them touching each other. I just want this green to kind of outline right on top of it. I don't know where my camera stopped recording, but using the angle brush and Blitz Emerald, I went ahead and just outline right on top of what we did. Not right on top of it because there is a negative space, as you can see. But yeah, I just outlined it, and it was so easy. I absolutely love doing like graphic liners with angle brushes and shadows because they're just so much easier than actually using like liquid liners or anything like that. And here we have look number 2. Alright, so let's go ahead and take Blitz Emerald and start with the third look. I'm going to use an angle brush. Going to go above our crease and just going to look straight. Alright, so when you have something like this, let's go ahead and take bronze 005. I'm going to use my finger. I'm just going to add it right in the center. Using a brush to be a little bit more precise. So now using VR Nectar for the inner corner and connecting it with the green. Alright, so I'm just going to clean up. Alright, I'm going to use Skin Show just on the brow bone. Alright guys, so here we have the final look, and they're not identical, but I try. So that is it for all 3 looks. I hope that you find this video inspiring and helpful, especially if you just wanted to play with this palette a little bit more. If you already have it in your collection, definitely bring it out and just get creative with it, because it's just makeup. If you don't like the look, you can always wipe it off. But yeah, that is it, my friends. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for your love and your time and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I will see you next time.